Muse Residential, and today I'm showing you the Plantation Road Master Suite. This project was a fun one. We really needed to focus on aging in place. Always adds a couple extra challenges to think about during the design process, and I'll kind of walk you through some of the aging in place features we have in this bathroom that make it so functional for this homeowner. So over here we have the vanity. We did a 3-light vanity light, and the natural light was just great today, so that's why it's off. But then we did a medicine cabinet for storage, any prescriptions you may need, a single handle sink faucet. If you have arthritis, this can be a lifesaver because you don't need to make your hand at all to turn it on and off or to change the temperature. We did Miami Vina on the countertop, as well as a 6-inch backsplash that lines up with the beadboard wainscoting. Over here we have a toilet with a bidet on it. This is a comfort height toilet with a grab bar next to it. There's a pocket door into the bedroom. Over here we have an entrance into the home through this bathroom. The purpose of this is for caretakers. That way they don't have to disrupt the whole home. They can just come in through the side. Very functional. It also serves a great use. This client particularly loves to just go out there and sit on his lawn chair. It's just a good time. We gave him a closet in here and a shower with a 0 radius entry. It's gonna be great if in the future there's ever any need for a wheelchair. The tile we have on the floor is Slade Creek. It is a wood look hexagon tile, and I really like the way that this turned out, the way it's on the floor and it just crawls up all the way to the ceiling. I also always think hexagon tiles look good with 0 entry showers because seams are kind of hidden since there's already so many angles on the tile. The bench I'm sitting on is still Miami Vina countertop, except on the bench it is suede, which adds more traction, so slip resistant. This bench is also slightly angled at 15 degrees. That way water will never sit here. We also have a slanted back for extra comfort. And this shelf that kind of finishes off the seat acts as a storage shelf for any toiletries. We have grab bars on both sides, great for getting up and down, hand shower, as well as a rain head, shower head. The water turn-offs right at the entry so you can wait for your water to heat up. This was a really fun aging in place project. You enjoy, and can't wait to show you more.